In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the side engine splash shields on this Toyota Prius. Let's get into it. Remove this shield. Use a 10mm socket. There's bolts on the front. Take those out. Back here, there should be 4 screws. You want to take those out using a 10mm socket. Take those out. Same on the other. Then grab this panel and just slide it back. There's a push pin right here. You can pop the center down. Just use a trim tool, pop that out. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to take these screws out. Grab this panel, and just make sure that it separates. It's good right there. And do the same on the other side. Using a 10mm socket, take all these bolts out. It's going to be holding this front spoiler on as well. Slide that off. Using a 10mm socket, take these bolts out. So just grab these shields and just slide them down out of the way. They can hang like that. Take the wheel off using a 21mm socket. Grab the wheel, slide it off. In the inner fender well, we're going to take these push pins out. Use a trim tool. Just pop these off. And pull back on the inner fender well. Slide that to the side if you want. Remove this bolt. Use a 10mm socket. There's a push pin right here. Just use a trim tool. Pop that out. There might be another one over there, so take that out. And grab the shield and slide it off. Now line this up. Bolt in there. Just get that started. Put the push pins back in. If you have another one, you want to put that in there. And line this up. And take a push pin, put it right there. Line this up. Take the push pin, line that up, push that in, take the screws, get those started, and snug those down. And you can do the same on the other side. And throw the tire on. snug those down. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts down to 80 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check. Now slide these covers in position. Line those up. Slide this in position. That lined up. And where the retainers are up there, you want to put the bolts in. Take these bolts, line these up, get those started, and then tighten those down. Slide this piece in place, get the bolts started. Make sure you just get them all started before you tighten them down. And tighten those down. I'll line this up. Take the push pin, line that up, push that in, take the screws, get those started, and snug those down. And you can do the same on the other side. I'll slide this underneath. And take the screws, go back here. I'm going to get those started. Snug those down. Put the other ones in. Ours are broken on this vehicle. And it screws up front. Get those started. There should be one there. All right, snug all those down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.